Big bike gang, boy. Big bike gang. Oh, got it on camera. Got it on camera. Yes, sir.
He's so funny.
Got him on camera. He right. Knocked them cowies down. Knocked them cowies down. This team Honda over here. G lucky he ain't here. I'm so glad we ain't got to go to Milton no more, man. You going on my YouTube page? Yeah.
All that back there is new shit you got out here last week.
Yeah, we finna turn up today.
Yeah,
We finna turn up. We finna turn up. We gonna put some shit on the grill and everything.
Word.
Oh, he caught that berm. Caught that berm. What'd you say? What'd you say? Go ahead, finish what you said.
I done went to Durhamtown last year.
Oh, okay.
And I'd have hit a jump, and I'd have already flipped, so I know how. I ain't scared.
Now Durhamtown got them real jumps though. Durhamtown got some real, and they shit hard pack. They shit hard pack, bro. This shit right
I
here.
hit a jump, so nose down.
This shit right here is a little forgiving.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got that CRF 450. We got that KX. Bitch got crazy power right here. I knew it was a goddamn KX with the number 3. I knew I wasn't tripping in my last video. I just couldn't remember, was it G or Snoop? But I knew one of them had number 3. Snoop just number 14. Well, we got that CRF. CRF 250. Yeah, that boy got that Tesla bike. He got that Elon Musk. That nigga dropped a whole battery cell in that bitch. That's crazy. I know that bitch get down too. I know it get down. Shit, let's hit it, folks. Let's hit the trails. Let's do it. Let's do it one time, man. See if we can catch a goddamn couple hill climbs and catch Snoop go on to the moon one more time. You said you gonna go over there?
Yeah, right over there.
Oh no. That bitch tearing you up, huh, bitch? bringing that 450 out. Fuck that. He said, fuck that. He said, we on this side?
I know what time it is.
Yeah.
Fuck that too big. I'm surrounded by nothing but big brothers.
Yes, sir. I ain't lying. A number 450s out here.
I wasn't going out like that.
He said, forget that. Shit, my bad. Get y'all a breather. Get a breather. Yo, breather. Boy, hey, I'm working this goddamn RMZ. I know them niggas like, where the fuck is Day One at, bro? I'm gonna go ahead and give them a breather real quick. I figured I'd give y'all a breather, man. I said, I know they like, God damn, this bitch long. Well, what you say?
What you say? This shit long as hell.
Hey, but it ain't bad though.
it ain't
It's
bad.
not bad though.
That's it.
This bitch is actually straight, like it's good. It ain't no tight shit when
It's
you got it.
consistent. I tell you the truth, I'm like, damn, they want to move that damn
I'm
Suzuki.
talking about, boy, I'm moving on this.
It's so thin. He throwing that bitch.
I'm moving. This
light
bitch,
too, I know
this
it's
bitch
light.
is
It's
the
real
best
light.
corner and bike. This the best
Yeah.
corner and bike. This bitch make corners so easy, bro. And all you gotta do is just one finger to clutch. Play with that back brake and that
I'm watching
throttle.
your ass just slang that bitch.
Slanging this whole, bro.
This motherfucker heavy.
Slanging that bitch, bro. See, that bitch made for the trail.
That.
Yeah, it's got a kickstand.
Oh yeah.
It's made for the trail.
This the FX.
See, that bitch got a fan on it and all that shit. It's made for the trail. Our shit really ain't.
And it's got
trail.
longer gears.
Yeah.
My gears like real long.
Long as fuck, bro. That bitch
And it
gonna
got
roll.
the power. It still got the power.
Yeah, that bitch gonna roll. Benji back there probably get his ass whooped. I know he like, nigga, how the fuck you riding that bitch like that? What's going on?
I need a motherfucker test protect. That bitch was tearing my ass up.
It was tearing my knuckles.
I was like, let me stop for a minute. I said, ooh, this is a good little break area. I said, let me stop. No, I was like, I was tearing these motherfucking trails over this bitch.
I was gonna take it slow. Yeah, that's what I said. Like, bitch was man, what the bitch?
How the hell you get in front of one? Oh, cut off on that log, didn't you? I said that log gonna fuck somebody up. Shit, okay. Yeah, no, that's crazy. Damn, that's crazy. Ah, flip that bitch.
Stay down from day one, so I say no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no new year. Stay down from day one, so I say
Festa, DJ Festa, the big man.
Man, it's so ill that we had to restart it. H-10 on second home like I'm James Harden. Money counter go brrr when you starting at the garden. 4 car garage, pour something, Birdman go brrr, cause Really call started from the bottom, yes, Lord. OVO Sam, man, I'm proud of my. Knew that we would make it, never doubted my. Almost up love me if I had a baby mama, she would probably be richer than a lot of you. Hey, that's luxury, dog. Day one, when you stuck with me, dog. Ever since you two, big calling me the leader of the new school with me, dog, yeah. No, no friends, no, no friends, no, no friends, no, no, no.
Good. Good. God damn it. I'm finna help you. Damn it. Come on, bitch. Come up out of there. God damn it.
It took all my engine right there.
Boy, what?
Ain't got the train.
Dang. Camera is back on. Y'all go ahead. I'm gonna bring up the rear. Go ahead. Now that was some tight ride. Go, go, go. They coming. Go. Go, go. Me up. That nigga, I said, ah, right in the mouth and everything. Boy, you got me good. That shit went everywhere. Woo.
Don't worry, my load already strapped.
Getting hot? Yeah. Turn her off. She just got hot. She just overheated, that's all. That goddamn thick ass sand. Boy, that storm fucked some shit up. I said that storm fucked some shit up. Look at he's cut off again. They went that way?
I think it's one way.
They went that way?
Oh no, they went that way.
Okay. But it's some funny shit. Bro, this shit funny as hell, y'all. I swear to God. Hey, but this shit is so fun, I promise you. I think they going this way still. I guess we're going back up. Bitch, you so goddamn short. Oh, shit. Wait on them, boy. Wait on them. Wait on them. That nigga ain't hear shit. He think just cause he see me, it's time to go. Okay, let's take one of these motherfuckers. go where they ready.